Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in household solutions. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the gardening world. Natural Elements 30% Vinegar. If you're tired of battling stubborn weeds in your garden, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Natural Elements 30% Vinegar isn't your ordinary vinegar. It's a potent, industrial-strength formula that packs a punch when it comes to weed control. With 6 times the cleaning power of store-bought vinegar, it's no wonder why gardeners everywhere are turning to this natural alternative. So, what makes this vinegar so special? For starters, it's biodegradable and highly concentrated, meaning you can tackle tough weeds without harming the environment. Simply dilute it with water to adjust the strength for different tasks. But it's not just for weeds. This vinegar is excellent for removing hard water deposits, cleaning rust from tools, tackling soap scum, and even removing carpet stains. It's a versatile cleaning agent that every gardener should have in their arsenal. And the benefits don't stop there. Natural Elements 30% Vinegar is also great for lowering the pH of soil and water, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Plus, it can clean and freshen garbage disposals, prevent clothes from fading, and even unclog faucets and shower heads. But perhaps the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Simply spray it directly onto the weeds or surface you want to clean, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe or rinse away. It's that simple. So, if you're tired of battling stubborn weeds and looking for a natural solution that's safe for you and the environment, give Natural Elements 30% Vinegar a try. Your garden will thank you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!